Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian and I wanted to make a video on these new products I got from Wet n Wild. The collection's called Flights of Fancy and you get 3 highlighters, 2 liners, primer water, 3 little mini eyeshadow palettes, and 4 lip glosses. Oh, plus a lip scrub. And it's only $34.99, which is a lot of stuff for the price of like 1 palette, if that. So I wanted to try some of these products out, but I also want to show you guys the collection itself. I already pre-swatched just to save some time. So I wanted to show you guys the different swatches on hand drew. Over here, my lovely hand model. We have this palette, which is right here. This palette, which that pink is calling my name. This palette, which has the beautiful magenta in there. Hopefully this is kind of helpful. I don't know if this is more of an inconvenience. We have 2 liquid liners. This one is a green and you also get a gold. In the past, I haven't been very successful with the Wet n Wild liquid liners. They always tend to transfer on me, but I don't know why I just had to start off with a negative. That was very negative of me, Bailey. These are really pretty colors. I don't have a army green liner. Okay. Then we have the 3 different highlights, which I think are absolutely stunning. It's called Don't Flutter Yourself, and it's that one. Don't Flutter Yourself, Hummingbird Hype, Dare to Soar. You guessed it, it's that one right there. So these are highlights, but I'm sure you could use them eyeshadow, face, for body, for your lips. The options are endless. Then we have the 4 different glosses. Fly Gal, Featherless, Pout of Paradise, and then Shut the Pluck Up. Oh, that's my favorite, which is that one right there. So these are all the different swatches of the collection. You also get a lip scrub, but I guess it fell out of my bag because it's not here. So I wanted to do a look with one of these palettes using these products. I don't have any eyeshadow on or lips or highlights, so it works out perfectly. I'm gonna use this palette. It's called the Stop Ruffling My Feathers. With that being said, let's do a look. I did put a little bit of powder underneath my eyes just to catch any fallout, and I also primed as well. With this shade down here and a small shadow brush, I'm placing this onto my lid. As usual, sorry, I have to do it, but I like to wing out my shadow a bit, so I'm doing like an outer V motion. And then with a blending brush, going back and forth, just really soften and smoke out that shadow a bit. So my small brush, and also this is the primer water spray. I would have used this on my face, but I have foundation on and whatnot, but I am gonna spray my brush with this. Let's do this shade. Getting the brush wet will intensify the shadow. Ooh, lots of fallout. Okay, I'm placing this right on the center of my lid with my crease brush, nothing on it. I'm taking this shade, it's the matte transition shade, and I'm placing this underneath my eyebrow in the hollow of my eye. I'm going to dust off the loose powder that luckily caught the fallout. And I'm debating on if I should use this liquid liner. Let me do the other eye and I'll think about it and I'll come back. So I did the other eye and now I'm gonna do along my lower lash line. I am going to use this transition shade. So it definitely took like some building of the shadows to get to this point. Kind of keep layering them. It's quite nice. So I'm using a fluffier brush just to lightly blend. And then the eyelid shade. This shade, honestly, it was kind of like let me down. It doesn't really show up that well. But I'm gonna see if I can build it in my tear duct. So right in here. Maybe if I wet the brush. Let's grab, well, it's called Don't Flutter Yourself. My small brush, I'm gonna place this shade right into my tear duct. Yeah. So random story I just thought of right now. When I was at the gas station, I went inside to go pay, and the lady who was at the cash register thing, she tells me, "You look like the girl my husband cheated on me with." Like, that's what she said to me just out of nowhere. And I didn't know what to say, so I just said, "Oh, thanks." And then I asked for 20 on like number 6 or something. Who says that? Let me know down below what you would have said. Would love to hear it. I wonder if the other woman was pretty or if that was like a low-key, like, she was throwing shade and I didn't even know it. I put mascara on my top and bottom lashes, followed by a pair of eyelashes. I do think I'm gonna use this liner. So this is the gold one. It's called Gilded Wings. I think what I'm gonna do is dab this, like do little dots in my tear duct for like some sprinkle of gold. Does that make sense? So just like dot. Does that even show? Oh yeah, it does. And then boom, boom, boom. It's very subtle, but like, it's cute. So I am going to be using this one. It's called Don't Flutter Yourself. Okay, this is more like a blush. And let's try, this one is the Hummingbird Hype. Let's apply a little bit on the apple of the cheek. Yeah, so these have a lot of color to them. I'm thinking they're probably blush. Oh, baked blush. They're not highlights. If I would just simply read, I would know that. Okay, thank you so much. This lip liner is from MAC, and it's called Spice. And then the lip gloss in Pout of Paradise. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to wear it? Do you want to borrow it for your birthday party? Overall, like, I really like this lip. I don't think I have a lip color like this, but the items did perform really nice. I love the blush. I really like the palette. Some of the shades are very sheer, but you could build it to where it gets to a higher pigment. I like it. For $34.99, you really can't be mad at that. You get a lot. Keep it for yourself, split it up with your friend. I think it's good. I like it. Also, I didn't get to use this. This is the primer water spray. I think I'm gonna try this in my next face application. It doesn't really say anything about it on the packaging, so okay, anyways. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But other than that, make your choices. I'll see you guys later. Bye.